This presentation is for Chapter 1, Introduction to Managerial Accounting. In Learning Objective 4, we are going to describe some current business trends that affect managerial accounting. There has been a shift, especially in the United States, toward a service economy. The United States Bureau of Labor Statistics predicts that service providing sectors will account for more than 90% of projected job growth from 2016 to 2026, especially in healthcare and social assistance, professional and business services, and leisure and hospitality sectors. Also, the Bureau of Labor Statistics reports that service industries currently account for 4 out of 5 U.S. jobs. Global competition is also one of the current trends. Companies are moving operations to other countries to be closer to new markets and also to maintain their competitiveness. Other companies are partnering with foreign companies to meet local needs. Time has become the new competitive turf for world-class business, so enterprise resource planning systems that can integrate all of a company's worldwide functions, departments, and data are one of those trends. E-commerce allows companies to sell to customers around the world by providing them with 24/7 access to information and products. Managers can reduce the cost of inventory and minimize the risk of obsolescence by using just-in-time inventory management. A just-in-time system means producing products just in time to satisfy customer needs. There are also trends in technology. Technological advances can provide companies with a competitive advantage. Software programs such as R, Tableau, and Power BI can allow accountants to work with information technology teams to analyze large quantities of data and use the analysis to make more informed decisions. Robotic process automation and artificial intelligence also use technology to improve operational efficiency and decrease cost. Total quality management is a philosophy of continuous improvement in products and processes. Continuous improvement leads to fewer defects and higher customer satisfaction. TQM, as it's called, emphasizes the importance of each person in the organization by creating a culture of cooperation across all business lines. So each step in the process needs to add value to the end product, and this is referred to as the value chain. The triple bottom line refers to profits, people, and planet, the economic, social, and environmental impact of doing business. Companies are recognizing that they have multiple responsibilities and that generating profits for owners and investors is really only one aspect of being a socially responsible corporation. Increasingly, customers and stockholders are choosing to support and invest in companies based on their labor practices, community service, and sustainable environmental practices. In Learning Objective 5, we're going to talk about how managerial accounting can be used in service and merchandising companies. So managers of service and merchandising organizations still need to make decisions on pricing that is based on the cost per service or cost per item. So if Smart Touch Learning in 2024 had incurred cost of $3,900 and provided 1,950 e-learning services, they could determine that the unit cost per service was $2 by dividing their total operating cost by the total number of services provided. That unit cost per service can then be used by the managers to determine the price to charge the customers and be able to make a profit. Next, if in December 2025, when Smart Touch Learning was still a merchandising business, it sold 260 tablets, and the total cost of goods sold for those tablets was $90,800, then the managers could determine that the unit cost per item would be $349.23. Again, this information is important to the managers in setting the price to charge their customers. We can also notice that if this information was correct, then Smart Touch Learning was able to, after they became a manufacturer, to produce the items at a lower cost, because as we saw in the previous presentations, the unit cost for cost of goods manufactured for the tablets was $300. And that is the conclusion of the presentations for Learning Objectives 4 and 5.